This is video number 4 concerning copying and pasting boards. There is a subtle difference. So on the edit menu, we've got a command up here called copy final board. Now, in order to use this function, you need to have a recipient blank empty board. So if you've got a lot of duplication between floors on a building, what you can do, I could put a main final board in there, call it DB2. Just put a dummy load on there for now. Okay, that. Press escape. What I can then do is use this function on the edit menu, copy final board. Copy on the board from. Click once in the board to copy to. You can see in the command line bottom left there, copy to. Click on that board. Tells you about the phases. Select OK. And that then copies from one board to the other. Any incumbent problems, of course, may be passed across. If I have a longer cable connecting in, that problem might go away. There's always a temptation now to visit that board and make your change. So if you double click on it, you're saying a board cannot copy onto itself. The reason being the copy command is still active. So you really need to press escape when you want to move on. And then I can double click on the board. And once I've connected my cable, I'll be able to go into the Ways button. You can see the Ways is grayed out because I don't have a cable on it. So I'll insert cable, run the cable up, DB2. Now I can enter the board, go into Ways, and make any subtle changes to any of these ways. So that's effectively the copy final board. There is another function, copy and paste. Now, another way of doing this is I can do it with a single board. I can highlight one board, or I can highlight two boards using my Control-C key. Or what I can do is put a marquee around these two boards. I can go up to the Edit menu, copy, and then paste. This takes these two boards and puts them in the extreme top left-hand corner. Because imagine if you're doing a layout and you're getting your layout, you don't want them sitting in the middle of an existing system. So by putting them in the top left corner, it's out of the way. I can then drop them into position. View home. Just jiggle them around a little bit. Now this is a perfect opportunity to talk to you about the setting up the ways on the board. If you notice, I might want to run a cable from the middle of this board up into this one here. So this is why it's not a good idea to set the number of ways up initially. So if I insert a cable, there you can see it pushes the others aside. I can run that cable up to there, and into that board. I'll leave the reference for now and do the same with the other cable here. And then redraw. Now the other option is to use the right button click. So I could take these ways here, right button click. You can use the copy and paste function. Now depending on the version of clipboard you have, whether you're using Windows 7 or Windows 10, the paste option doesn't always reveal itself. So if I was to select copy and then do a right button click, in this case paste does, but you might find sometimes that's grayed out, in which case just go up to the edit menu and select paste there. So you can either use this menu here or you can use the tear off menus. And again, if I then display calculate, that then calculates all my cable sizes.